Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. This is the intraday for Bitcoin on the 1 hour 15-minute chart. We're gonna see where are we heading, and what to expect. So basically, where are we first? We are of course in the ending diagonal first with a 1-2 here, and then wave 3 unfolding still. Potentially still need some lows there to finish up of course our zigzag ABC, because we are in zigzags. We have the wave A, wave B and wave C there. If you are asking what kind of a wave C, this is an expanding diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4 and F5. Wave 4 interfering with zone 1, wave 3 longer than wave 1, wave 5 longer than wave 3. Everything looks perfect, meaning ABC. And that because, of course, the wave 4 here, in case we are in 1, 2, 3, wave 4, this wave 4 is very much longer sorry, than the wave 2. And of course, because on the channeling here, we have exited, of course, the base channel. Yeah, the red channel taken from the 1-2 here, we have exited, and that is, of course, a very likely possibility for something else as a structure. And that means, of course, this structure is separate from this impulse. Yeah, in case it was an impulse. So basically, 1, 2, 3. Now this wave 3 as an ABC, also it has to be a zigzag, which is double impulses like 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. Finished wave A, wave B given again, and then 1, 2, 3 here, 4 and a 5. Now the wave 5 on the 1 hour chart, you can see that this wave 5 here of wave 5 as well is not really nice as an impulse. That means, of course, very likely what we got here is simply overlaps and simply corrective wave, turning all of this into an ABC there, expanding flat, and very likely to turn into a running flat. Why? Because there is a truncation here, and as you can see, we failed to take the high with a very tiny gap so far. And this can be considered already a 5 waves, 1, 2, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 for wave 3, 4 and a 5 here, failing to take the high, and that means, of course, it's a running flat. That means this can be a 1-2, another 1-2, and another 1-2 here, and we might start to unfold something for deeper prices here for Bitcoin. So this is a very high possibility that it might happen here as a running flat, of course, truncation, or I would say of an expanding flat turning into a running flat, and that means, of course, we might drop down for lower prices, guys. In this case, well, we might expect anyway, we are expecting a wave 5 to unfold anyway here as a 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. Your wave 5 is several 1-2s here, potentially even for 5 it wants to, or even a single impulse wave 1, 2, 3 ABC wave 4 and a wave 5. By all means, however you turn it here as possibility, it tells us, okay, it still need one more low there. Okay, so very likely that this wave C might finish over there, right? And finishing, of course, our zigzag in a wave 3, A, B, and a C. However, this is going to end up our wave 3 before reaching the perfect target. Yeah, before reaching the perfect target, meaning you might take simply the 0.618 there, which is our wave 5, uncommon target. And that will bring, of course, a very less aggressive, I would say, diagonal or ending diagonal there. So we might see, of course, a wave 4 pushing for higher later on after this low. We might see a zigzag upward for wave 4, and then, of course, pushing for lower again to reach our target for an expanding diagonal here, which it should be actually the ending diagonal, of course, on the daily here, which is exactly this one. Yeah, so we are looking for this target 67k here at least to be reached, and potentially this wave 3 is going to end up a little bit less than expected, wave 4 and then wave 5, and we might, of course, go bullish again for the crypto market here, okay, in a new bull run, very massive wave 3. So we're gonna watch what's gonna happen in case this is going to happen. So we're gonna see it, of course, step by step. We will not rush and claim a bull run there before we finish up, of course, our target here, and testing, of course, this area if it is ready to push for higher or not, of course, because there are multiple possibility as well, not just diagonal here. There is a possible, of course, of an ABC zigzag, but we need to fail the diagonal first. Yeah, we need to fail this area to move, of course, to the 52K later on. But of course, I still doubt it a little bit for Bitcoin, very likely to push for higher from the 67K, 68K for Bitcoin here. Yeah, so on the 1 hour and the 15-minute chart, I'm still looking, of course, for lower right now. In case this is a running flat, be careful, of course. We are unfolding something for lower. It might be a trap here, like, yeah, knowing that we want to wait, of course, for this area. But yeah, it might be a trap. And that's why, of course, I'm claiming here something is unfolding for potentially lower in a running flat and then pushing for a wave 5. More I would say precision for a wave 5 can be given as well here, based on the wave 3. So let's go there. Wave 5, this is our wave 1. So if this is our wave 3 there, we are looking for this area. Yeah, so we are looking for this area, this blue box in precision here. For our target, 72K can be 73K as well. It can be even a little bit extended to the 71K because the wave 3 is short here anyway and less aggressive. So very likely to get at least an aggressive wave 5 at the end, even if it will not reach the blue box, the major blue box there. So 71, 72K can be very, very likely in the next drop for Bitcoin. Finally, before finishing this video, I would like also to show the KGT signal there, where we have, of course, bearish signal from the reference point there, where we see, of course, a further push towards the downside, invalidation of the bullish. So that is, of course, a clearer signal that we are, yes, dropping very likely toward the downside, guys. That was it for Bitcoin, the intraday. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.